How to build a log house in the 1800s. Mike needs a house to live in. He needs wood logs to build a big cabin. He will cut down 50 trees to make his log house. No, Mike needs to cut off the limbs of his trees. Now he takes the logs and notches them to fit together. He stacks them up until his house is big enough. Mike cuts out the windows and the doors like this. Then roof ridge pulls. He now has a log house. He just needs to build a door. Now he has a log house. Next year he will build a fireplace.